guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So guys, without further delay, let's get started with today's video. This is the fourth part of the video and I have already released like 3 parts of this video, this haul video. So if you haven't subscribed, I will link the complete playlist at the end of this video. So please guys, make sure you're subscribing to my channel and you may also watch my previous haul videos and enjoy them. So to the ones who don't know yet, this person sitting next to me, she is my daughter Kanika and she is the special guest for all my haul videos. All the 3 that I finished, she was the special guest and she is the special guest on this video as well. She is going to help me with showing different products. Guys, before we start with this video, I wanted to just make this note. I'm adding this. This week is October 10th is my birthday. So guys, I have a giveaway for all those subscribers, but well, right now I am not so well enough to give giveaways, but definitely this is a giveaway. When my channel reaches 1000 subscribers, I am going to announce the giveaway. So yes guys, all you need to do to participate in this giveaway is like this video, watch the videos that I upload, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram. The Instagram handle is right down on the description box, and then comment down to this video stating followed and participating. So whoever is the lucky winner will be declared on the special video that I would be making when I reach 1000 subscribers, and the lucky winners will be winning a special giveaway. I will be selecting 10 people as the lucky winners. So yes guys, start participating and let's get started with the video. So yes guys, without further delay, let's get started with today's video. The first product I have here is this Blue Heaven Soft Kajal Liner. This is a green color liner. So let me show how it is. So this is sort of a shimmery color guys. So this is the shade. It's really a nice color, and you also have a sharpener at the end. Can you see that? So that you can sharpen the pencil. The next product we have is again from Blue Heaven, and this is the blue color kajal, and this looks like a royal blue color. I don't know yet. So yes guys, it's a royal blue color kajal. Look at that. It's really pretty, right? So this is going to be completely a makeup haul guys. Be prepared. And it also has, this also has a sharpener. Sorry, I forgot to mention on that. The third product we have here is this kajal, black color kajal from Stay Quirky. I have the kajal from L18. I have kajal from what is it? I forgot. NY Bay. And this is a kajal from Stay Quirky. So I just wanted to try this out and just to see how it works. Let's see how the pigmentation is, right? So yes, this is a retractable pencil and you get quite a lot of product. And yes, it is quite pigmented guys. It's very well pigmented. I like the way it is. So the next product that we have right here is one of the very good product. I don't know, I had used the Stay Quirky Daily Wear foundation guys. it doesn't have any coverage. Can you imagine? It has zero coverage literally. The last time I suffered a lot with that. And the second thing is I got a wrong shade, even that was a problem. So this is how the package looks. It comes in a cardboard box, and this is how the foundation looks. You get, I guess, 20 ml of the product, and it is priced at 549 rupees. I actually got it at a discount. There was an offer going on, which is an Unlock Beauty sale in purple.com, and I got this foundation, one compact and two lipsticks for just on the buy one get one free offer. So yes guys, this has really great coverage. If you could see how well it blends really well onto your skin, and the coverage is also good. So yes, I like the foundation. It has blended really well onto my skin. So the next purple product, as I already told you guys, is the latest lipstick they have launched, and this is a Purple Shades of Love Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade To the Moon and Back. This is how the packaging looks, similar with the cardboard pack, and this is how the lipstick looks. It has purple written on one side. I just love the way it looks guys. Because of this color, because of the look, I bought this lipstick. I really don't know how it is. This is one of the nude shades, and it says matte. This is the shade guys. Yes guys, this is the shade. It's a sort of a nudish shade. I like the color, and it has a magnetic lid. If you could hear the sound, it's a magnet guys. It's really nice. The next product we have is again from Purple, and this is in the same kind of a card. In the carton itself, you have the shade name mentioned. This is in the shade Wine Date 7. That is a good thing. And they also have the shade name mentioned over here in the sticker with the closest color. And this is also in the magnet. And this is a sort of a pinkish shade. It's not a nude. It's a pink, a bright pink. Can you see that? This is the color of the shade that I just showed you. So yes, this is the next product I have with me. The next lipstick I have, this was the most economical lipstick I could say. From NY Bay, I got it at its MRP is at 175 rupees. And this is the shade, how the packaging looks. It looks really very luxurious guys. And this time I did quite some lip makeup shopping. So this is also a nude shade. This is the color how it looks, and well, let me just put it out somewhere here. It's not coming over there. Okay, let me show it over here. This is how the color looks. I don't know where I can show it actually. Yeah, this is the color guys. It's a nudish shade and it's really beautiful. I love the shade. It's very close to my lip color, which I already applied. This is from Faces Canada. The next thing I have is again an eye kajal, and this is from a brand called Chameleon. I got it at just ₹60. The MRP is at 199, and for an unknown brand I feel that's quite high, but yes, I got this kajal for just 60 rupees, which was really a good price. I could get something of a brand I really don't know much about. This is in the golden shade guys. It's very well packed, I must tell you. Yes, it's a golden, and it has got a top like this, And this is the pen, and yes, let me show it to you here. It's a golden shade. Actually the camera doesn't show, I guess it's not that pigmented. Yes, can you see that? Yes, that is the color. I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to buy this. And the next product that I have here is this compact. It's the Purple Biorone BFF compact in the shade Honey Self Care. This is a product, guys, and it comes in a very sturdy packet. It has something like this where the shade name is mentioned even in the box. So in case you miss this outer carton, because of course not all of us are going to save it until we finish it off. And it has a beautiful mirror like this, and it comes with a film like this, and you can use this puff as an applicator of the compact. I have used it a little bit, that's why. And I must tell you guys, this is the best compact applicator that I've got till date. It's amazing. It's really soft on your skin, and it's really great to apply. So yes guys, the next product we have here after this compact is again a compact. This is my favorite compact. I have been using this compact from like ages. Though this was the first compact I have used, and I have never stopped applying this compact. I mean, this is my favorite compact. It is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Compact with SPF 23. It has sun protection as well, and I have a common shade. I don't think so this comes with any shade or something. It's always a single shade, and it suits me perfectly. It's a perfect, yeah, this is in the shade Beige Honey, and it's always a perfect thing for me. I love this. It comes with a mirror, and this is how the packaging looks, guys. It's awesome. And the next product that we have here is again a kajal. This time I've invested a lot in kajals. This is in the shade, this is the kajal, the big apple of my eye, in the shade white. This is a white kajal. I wanted a white kajal. I've been hearing makeup artists telling that when you use a white kajal, your eyes tend to look bigger. So yes, it comes with the packaging, which is really difficult to remove. Give me a minute, guys. I'll just remove this off. I'll try to remove it off. It's difficult to remove it, guys. Yeah, finally. So yes, this is a white kajal. If you could see, where can I show you the shade? Yes, here it is. The white color shade. So yes guys, this is my next purchase, and here I have again one more lip liner this time. Actually, I don't use a lip liner, guys, but I've heard a lot that lip liners are good. When you apply it, it just gives you that perfect line to your lips. So I have purchased it in the shade. This is called the Highline That Kiss Lip Liner. And I don't know the shade actually. I don't remember if I bought the pink one or the mauve one. It's very little pigmented. It's not that great. It doesn't have a great pigmentation. But yes guys, this is the color. So yes guys, that's it for today. That's all for now. I'm done with the haul. If you like this haul, I'm sure you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe subscribe and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And if you are someone who haven't subscribed still and don't feel like subscribing, please guys let me know the reason you haven't subscribed so that I can work on it, so that the next time you come and watch my channel you will see the improvements. I am open to feedback. Please do share your feedback. Please leave your valuable comments. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, everywhere you want. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Until my next video, take care all. Bye bye. Love you.